Hey guys, this is an interesting video, but the good friends at Separatec Underwear sent me 2 pairs underwear. This is sporting their new and latest innovative technology. It's called the Dual Pouch. So I'm going to unbox this for you and kind of show you what it's all about. You might have seen ads running in Facebook or online, or maybe you're just interested in something like this. But I kind of wanted to show you what the box looks like and kind of what it's all about. This is the 2-pouch underwear box. They come in 2 packs and I think also 3 packs as well. And so I kind of wanted to show you what it's all about. So this is what the box sort of looks like. It's designed in New York, which is great, made in China. And you know, I just had to show you what kind of the exterior of the box looks like, and also what's kind of on the side here. It shows you kind of the temperature and the washing instructions and so forth. And then on the back, it really shows you what it's all about. So they have a front pouch, and that basically shows you where the genitals would actually go. So basically what this dual pouch system is basically there's a nice pouch for the testicles, and then for the genitalia itself that has a separate pouch as well. So I'm opening up the box right now and I'm checking out to see what other materials are inside. They have this little document inside. This is actually a very important document, so I would highly recommend reading it. It goes over you know, what they have developed. They even have a link to their website to show you kind of what the underwear is all about. But more importantly, they show you actually how to wear it and use it, because there is a proper way to use it. So definitely read these instructions and basically educate yourself on how these pieces of underwear work, so you can maximize the potential of the underwear itself.
So each piece of underwear comes in an individual box, and right away when I take them out, the feel of them is top notch. They have a really good premium feel, a stretchy fabric, and honestly, I have many pairs of underwear that have this type of feel, and these are just by far some of the best soft fabric I've ever felt. Premium feel. Overall, the look of the boxers are pretty, you know, you wouldn't think that they're anything different. But what happens is when you open them up, there's this dual pouch system. And it basically separates each part of your anatomy so it has its own space, which eliminates the friction and keeps you cool and fresh. So there's no more readjusting, or, you know, you have complete freedom. And then it's easy to, like, you know, if you need to go to the bathroom, very easy. The colors, the patterns of this underwear are fantastic. They have different designs. They have all sorts of different lengths. So if you have a different couple lengths, some are shorter, some are longer. These are, I think, the 6-inch ones. I love these pairs of underwear. I would highly recommend getting them. The people at Separatec know what they're doing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and also please subscribe. Thank you.